Hey everyone, thanks again for tuning in for this latest video. It's a little bit different than usual, as you can see. It's really just a promo. Also, before I get started, I just want to say really quickly, I apologize for the room noise. It's very hot here right now, and I have to have the air conditioner on in my tiny little office, so I apologize for that if there's any background hum that I can't get out in post. But I wanted to just say real quick, I'm going to be a guest on the actual first guest on the Byte into Security podcast. It's actually a webinar, but I'm going to call it a podcast with Marcin Kleczynski for the CEO of Malwarebytes. I'm going to leave the link for this right below here in the show notes. And if anybody would like to attend this, it's free, 100% free. It's about just how you can do a lot with very little, where I discuss just how I get everything done in a day, being, a very understaffed IT department at the moment, which, by the way, kind of ties in why I have been making too many videos, because I've been so busy with everything. But again, this is it right here. You're just going to fill out everything. Again, it's free, and you're just going to register, and then you can get this. It's August the 31st of 2022, so it's going to be in 2 days from now. It's at 1 p.m. Eastern. Again, it's not very long. It's only 30 minutes. So if you have any questions or comments either before or even after, I will be happy to answer anything that I possibly can. So please feel free to leave them below this video, or you can tweet me anytime, and I'll be happy to follow up with you. Even if you discover this, months and months later, because this webinar podcast series is going to keep growing with Malwarebytes. Again, I'm just the first guest, so this is going to keep on going. So if down the line you happen to see this and you still have a question, whether it be months or years later, please let me know. I will be happy to get back to anybody that I possibly can, whether it be here on YouTube or on Twitter. So with that, I want to say thank you, everybody, for clicking on this video and for subscribing to the channel. And I will actually be starting again, making videos, making tutorials again. Things just have been crazy busy the past couple of weeks. So that's why I've been not making anything. But again, I'm going to leave this link right below here in the show notes and as the pinned comment on this video. And again, I hope that you actually do attend this. It's actually pretty good. It's very educational. Time flew by when I was recording this. So again, if you have any questions afterwards, just feel free to ask anytime, and I will see you very soon. Thanks again, everyone.